What up, mga subscribers? Okay guys, no, manonood tayo ng mga updates ngayon sa ating Mahalima, no. So, alam niyo naman nating Mahalima ngayon, guys, no. Sobrang active po nila, no. So, very big shoutout syempre muna kay Miss O, no. Okay guys, very big shoutout kay Miss O. So, tingnan natin maigi guys. Ito po yung first video na papanoorin natin is from Miss O po, no. So, ang title nito is Just Wow, SB19 featured in Spotify. Pasensya na guys, ha. Medyo modulated yung boss ko, no? Dahil meron kaming event kahapon, no. So, medyo paustahe guys, no. Yun. Kaya puro sigaw. At the same time, naging coach ako sa basketball din. At the same time, coach din ako sa sayaw, guys. No? You know, multi-purpose. Multitasking. Okay, short reading quiz. Okay, let's watch this.
Hello everyone, we are
SB19.
We are at the Spotify office today, and now we will be asking.
SB19 featured in Spotify Asia. Yes, our boys are featured in Spotify Asia for a quiz mode and tarot reading.
Hello everyone, we are
SB19.
We are at the Spotify office today, and now we will be asking some questions with a tarot reader.
Oh. Ano to?
Are you gonna be performing
challenging
soon in a big venue in the US?
The Empress was having people who really want to support you and see you succeed, and people who will stick by you even when you're struggling. Temperance,
18.
but temperance is patience. So I would say it might not be as soon as you have expected. Maybe there is a need to temper expectations, but the good thing is that your foundation is strong and the support is strong. And no matter where you go, you do have like a fan base that will want to see you succeed. So that really sets you up for success later on.
Grabe na. Shoutout sa 18. 18 yan, yung tinutukoy. Siyempre, very big shoutout sa 10 Entertainment, sa staff, sa management ng SB19. Pero guys, napakalaking factor talaga ng 18 po talaga sa SB19.
A song that would have a very high streams on Spotify.
Oh,
Temperance!
Sobrang ano guys, na sobrang direct to the point na yung ginagawa nila.
Temperance!
Oh my
Second
god!
time.
I think I'm losing my patience actually.
I would say the answer is still yes, and I think it will be more than one song possibly because you have 3 of Wands here, and this is about facing the future with a lot of hope. But you also have 4 of Wands, which is about stability. 4 of Wands is domestic as well, so maybe success could also be measured in terms of more domestic or regional spheres. So I do see potentially there might be more than one song that goes viral, but because Temperance is here, I think what viral means might have to be tempered as well.
I have an idea already. We will release a song title called Temperance or Patience.
Oh yeah.
Pwede na, pwede na. Taba talaga ng utak na itong mga to. No? So guys, hindi naman posible guys. No? Since alam niyo na SB19, no? Mga kanta na Gento, yan, yung mga kantang yan guys, nag-viral naman po talaga. No? So I'm sure guys, pretty sure, very very soon guys, so darating din yung time na talagang may kanta naman sila na talagang mag-hit po talaga. No? Okay?
To ask about like your dynamics as a team.
Okay.
As a band
Oh,
also, right?
when we will disband?
Matake na naman si Justin.
That's a
Will
nice
you
question.
I think you guys might be together for a while because of the hangman, like hanging around, kind of like staying in the same position.
Oh,
But you
so
also
matagal na panahon silang magsasama po talaga. No?
have the Hierophant here. So Hierophant is about bigger
I think forever pa nga eh.
institutions. So it could also be the way that you were brought together was probably through an institution as well, and that structure is very strong.
Ang hindi lang natin alam guys, no, kung itong tarot reader ba is knowledgeable ba sa kanila or fan nila, no? So baka may idea siya, no? So mas solid, I think mas solid kung hindi siya fan ng SB19. Mamaya, alam niya talaga yung background ng SB19. Pero syempre hindi naman, Spotify is a very big platform po guys, no? Hindi naman yan gagawa ng mga kasinungalingan, ganyan, kasinungalingan talaga. Mga ganung bagay, no? So, hindi naman sisirain yung pangalan nila sa isang segment na to, no, di ba? So, I think, talagang legit na tarot reader talaga siya.
You also have the Six of Pentacles here. So this is interesting. This card is actually about fair exchange, give and take. So it's asking you to look at your dynamics as a team and try to strengthen that sense of equality. Like,
Actually, yung SB19, no, yung band nila, yung kanilang basta yung band talaga na napakatindi, napakalakas po talaga, no. As in, sobrang tibay po talaga, no. Hindi sila yung to the point na mag-away lang na ganyan buwag na. Hindi. Talagang naman sila pag wala naman, di ba, hindi nga ano ba, nagganto sila, may problema ganyan, di ba? No? So I think na solusyonan agad nila, no? So hindi na nila hinaya. Kasi ito ang difference ng SB19 sa ibang mga grupo, no? Kasi sobrang matured na po talaga sila as in, no? At the same time, alam na yung pasikot-sikot kung ano mga dapat gawin or yung through their experience kung ano yung mga dapat gawin pag halimbawang nagka-problema ang isang grupo, no?
Make sure that everyone is kind of like giving and taking in ways that feel equitable.
I like the answer. Okay. Don't worry, we will not disband very soon. But thank you so much for all of your support. We just heard that you are our biggest foundation.
Alam niyo na ako sino tutukoy dyan, ha? Let's go, 18. Ay, mali na pindot ko. Ito pala dapat. Yan.
Thank you for loving us and thank you for your time. We'll see you all soon and thank you for all of your patience. We love you.
What's up, Asia? We are
SB19.
Yeah.
okay. The first one is the Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines first one for sure.
Second one is
Ano daw? 3 countries in Asia from top 10 career that stream SB19. Okay, no. So, Philippines, sa pinaka talagang most streamed country talaga ng SB19.
one is the Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines first one for sure.
Second one is maybe Taiwan.
Oh, Taiwan. Malaki pa lang.
I'm gonna take a guess.
Indonesia.
Thailand.
Indonesia.
It's Hong Kong.
Vietnam.
Singapore.
Mm,
Mapa.
mapa talaga yung pinaka tumatak talaga, no? Kahit Tagalog song internationally, grabe yung reach nung mapa po talaga, no? Sumunod yung Gento. Actually lahat, no, pero yung halos yung kasintulad ng impact ng mapa is Gento po talaga.
It's Gecko.
I think
Tama,
I
Gento.
think it's time.
Crimson.
Tingnan mo.
Time.
Doon ka.
Oh?
Ano ka?
Dang it.
Nahigitan niyo yung ano, ha? Isa.
So they like the kind of song.
Mapa.
Ma. Golden Hour.
No.
Umaaligid. Umaaligid.
With Sarah G.
Singapore. Indonesia.
Thailand.
Middle East.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong, 100k streams.
2 million.
5
5 billion. 4
4
million.
3.8 million.
It's 4.7
4
million.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Manila.
Quezon City.
Mindanao.
Quezon City. Bakit sa Quezon City ang dami nag-stream, no? So, maraming 18 sa Quezon City, no? Solid.
Thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you so much for all your patience, and yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Thank you.
Okay, yun na siya, guys, no? Yun na po yung video ni Miss O about sa SB19 sa Spotify Asia po, guys. Ang solid, no? Talagang kung ibang mga ibang mga tao, artist or performer yan, guys, kapag andun sila sa tarot, baka alam mo yun, conservative na hindi natatanong yung mga gusto. Pero sila rekta talaga eh. Magpe-perform ba kami sa US? Tapos mag-viral ba ulit kaming kanta? Rekta talaga eh, no? Ito ng SB19 hindi talaga nagre-reserve ng mga feelings. So yun, guys, no? Solid na itong to. So very big shout out kay Miss O. And yan, maraming salamat, guys, no? And see you sa next video. So this is Boy Naben signing out. Peace. That's it.